Okay, so we're going to take the three measurements, O2, CO2, and UVB. We're going to take all three of those measurements at three locations. One location is here in the classroom. One location is outside of the school. The other location, third location, is down by the lake. All right, so you have the two lab units with the three sensors. Let's go ahead and if your CO2 has stabilized, let's go ahead and record the CO2 and then record the oxygen, the O2, and the UVB measurements for in the classroom. Now, real quick, UVB, that one, you will get a different measurement if the probe is pointing up versus down. Let's go ahead and take a measurement with the probe, the UVB probe, pointed up. All right? In all three locations. Okay, so let's go ahead and collect our measurements. Okay, so here, what are our measurements? Has CO2?
The same one's at 860.
Okay, so
then I moved in and kept moving.
is it moving now?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and hold it up. And okay, so what measurement? It's pretty stable there. So what measurement would you say? What's the average that it shows?
I mean, I guess 859. So it keeps.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, so who's the recorder for this group? Okay, go grab your computer. And for CO2 in the classroom, you said 859? 859 ppm. So over here,
Did they put the ppm?
yes, put the ppm. Over here, what about the O2? What's the O2 at?
It's been from like 19.5 to like 20%.
Okay.
Going up and down.
Okay, so let's go in between the two of those and say 19.75%. You got those, Sebastian? So for CO2, go ahead and let them know what the CO2 measurement was.
859 ppm. 859 ppm.
And what was the what's the UVB?
It's been like 14.75 to like 15.
Okay.
0.
So it seems to be stabilizing there at 15. So let's use 15.0 milliwatts per cubic meter. All right.
You put that in?
Okay, let's go ahead and get our measurements for right outside the building. Are yours still stabilizing?
The UVB has kind of.
Okay, so if you have the UVB, let Sebastian know. What's your UVB measurement?
18.8. Like 18.9. 18.9, bro.
Okay, what about the oxygen? Where's our oxygen at?
Like 19.6%.
19.6. Okay.
What's the
And
oxygen?
what'd you get for CO2?
635.
635. All right. Okay, what'd you get?
17.0 UVB.
UVB 17.0. Okay.
And then for oxygen, like 14.75%.
14.75% oxygen. CO2 still moving?
Yeah, it was in a concept 581, but.
Okay.
17.0.
Alright. Do 577 for CO2.
Okay, 577 for CO2.